Want to create professional videos with AI avatars without using a camera, microphone, or video editing skills? In this video, I'll show you how to use Synthesia AI for free and create realistic talking videos in minutes. Let's get started. What is Synthesia AI? Synthesia AI is an AI video generator that lets you turn text into videos using realistic AI presenters. You simply type your script, choose an avatar, select a voice, and Synthesia creates the video automatically. It's perfect for YouTube tutorials, business presentations, training videos, social media content, and online courses. Step 1. Sign up for free. Open your browser and visit synthesia.io. Click on Create Free AI Video or sign up for a free account using your Google account or email. No credit card is required to start. Step 2. Choose a template. After logging in, select a video template or start with a blank project. You'll find ready-made templates for marketing videos, tutorials, product demos, and presentations. Choose the one that matches your content style. Step 3. Add your script and avatar. Now, type or paste your script into the editor. Next, select an AI avatar from the free avatar library and choose a voice in your preferred language. Synthesia supports AI voices in more than 160 languages, making it easy to create multilingual content. You can also customize backgrounds, add images, text, and your logo. Step 4. Generate your video. Once everything looks good, click Generate Video. Synthesia will process your script and create a talking avatar video automatically. Download or share your video when it's ready. Keep in mind that free videos may include a watermark and monthly usage limits. Free tip. To get the best results, write short and natural sentences. Avoid long paragraphs. Add pauses, questions, and simple language to make your AI avatar sound more human. Also, create multiple short videos instead of one long video to maximize your free monthly credits. And that's how you can use Synthesia AI for free to create professional AI videos in minutes. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to learn Yash, and comment below with the type of video you want to create next. See you in the next video.